Alright, we're back on another question, and this time around we're solving question 1C of the 2024 paper. And as we can see, this is a vector analysis question. And the question reads, a superhero leaped with a displacement having an x component of 32.5 meters and a y component of 24.3 meters. Find the magnitude and direction of the displacement vector. So the way I like to think of vector questions that are presented like this is like this. I like to connect the given components head to tail. I know you've learned about this. So starting with the x component of this vector, we're going to say, don't know what just happened. Okay, so it's basically like this. And we're being told that this is 32.5. Then the y component, I'll connect it at the head of the x component like this. And so we've been told that the y component is 24.3. Now we're being asked to find the magnitude, and what we find is that the magnitude is the distance from the tail of the x component to the head of the y component. So this is the magnitude. Okay, so what we can see that has been formed here is some sort of a triangle, and we can introducing things like Sohcahtoa now to easily find the magnitude of this vector and its direction. So we know that this is the hypotenuse, and to find the hypotenuse of any triangle, we know that r is going to be square root of x squared plus y squared, where we know that x is this one and the y is this one. Quickly replacing in this, we have 32.5 squared plus 24.3 squared, and this is going to give us a value of 40.57 meters as our magnitude, or the magnitude of this vector. So we quickly move on to the direction, and we can think of the direction as the angle between the x component and the magnitude. So to find this angle, we will use Sohcahtoa, and we know once we utilize it, we will end up with something like the tan inverse of x and y, where to be the tan inverse of y x. Okay, and this theta is just the angle between this, which is the direction. So it's going to be tan inverse of 24.3 over 32.5, and this is giving us a value of 36.9 degrees. So the direction of this superhero is 36.9 degrees above the positive x-axis. So that's how you go about solving this question. Very simple and straightforward.